Hello, hi. My name is Hady. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Hady. I am Lily. Nice to meet you too.
I am happy we are talking today. Let's introduce ourselves.
Yes, good idea. You start first.
Okay. I live in India. I live with my family. My father works in business. My mother is a homemaker. I have one brother. He is younger than me.
That is nice. Family is important.
Yes, I love my family. I am a student. I like learning new things. My hobbies are video editing, watching YouTube, and learning about AI.
Wow, that is interesting. I like creative people.
Thank you. Now you tell about yourself.
Okay, I live in a city. I live with my parents. My father works in an office, and my mother is a teacher. I have one sister.
Nice. What do you like to do?
I like music. I like watching movies. I like talking with friends, and I love coffee.
Coffee is life.
Yes, without coffee, I feel sleepy all day.
Same here sometimes.
So, Hady, what do you want to become in future?
I want to learn more about technology, maybe work in tech or create my own work online.
That is good. I want to learn new skills and travel to new places.
Traveling is fun. You learn many things.
Yes, you meet new people, you see new cultures.
True. Do you like making friends?
Yes, good friends make life better.
I agree. Friends help us and support us.
Yes, and friends make us laugh.
Yes. So, Lily, what do you do in free time?
I watch videos, I listen to podcasts, sometimes I read books.
That is good. Learning and relaxing together.
Yes, learning should be easy and fun.
Correct. Do you like studying?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no, but I know study is important.
Same here.
What is one thing you want to learn fast?
I want to speak many languages.
That is amazing. What about you?
I want to learn advanced computer skills.
Good goal.
Thank you.
I'm happy we talked today.
Me too. It was nice.
Hady, today was a good talk. I learned new things about you.
Yes, Lily. I also enjoyed this conversation. It was simple and nice.
I hope people like our talk.
Yes, and I hope they learn something from us.
Learning and sharing is always good.
Yes, and talking like friends makes learning easy.
Thank you for talking with me today.
Thank you too, Lily.
We will come again with a new topic.
Yes, next time we will talk about something interesting.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye, take care.